Hey guys, this is that boy, and I got the sound effects to work. I got my intro to go into my other videos I make, and yeah. So, watch the last video with the updates. There's a lot of updates now. So I don't know. I might get popular eventually. I got the sound effects to work, which is cool. And yeah.